These are biology MCQs for NEET examination. First question is, which pigment gives red color to rhodophyceae? Options are fucoxanthin, chlorophyll D, phycoerythrin, and carotenoids. The correct answer is phycoerythrin. Phycoerythrin gives red color to rhodophyceae. Next question is, the dominant chlorophyll pigment in green algae, chlorophyceae are. Options are chlorophyll A and B, chlorophyll A and C, chlorophyll A and D, and chlorophyll B and D. The correct option is chlorophyll A and B. These are the dominant chlorophyll pigments in chlorophyceae. Next question is, which pair regarding angiospermic embryo sac is wrong? Remember, we have to find the wrong pair. First is egg cell, one cell. Yes, this is correct. In embryo sac, there is only one egg cell. Second is synergids, two cells. This is also correct. There are two synergids in embryo sac. Option C is antipodals, two cells. No, this is wrong. There are three antipodals in embryo sac. Next is polar nuclei, two. Yes, this is correct. So correct option is C. Next is diplontic life cycle is found in. Options are angiosperms, gymnosperms, bryophytes, and both A and B. See, the diplontic life cycle is found in angiosperms and gymnosperms. Therefore, the correct option is D, both A and B. Next is gametophyte is the dominant phase in haplontic life cycle. We have been given the three statements. First is gametophyte is the dominant phase in haplontic life cycle. Second is sporophyte is the dominant phase in diplontic life cycle. Third is pteridophytes exhibit haplodiplontic life cycle. So we have to identify the correct statements. See, all these statements are correct because the gametophyte is the dominant phase in haplontic life cycle. Yes, this is also correct. Second is sporophyte is the dominant phase in diplontic life cycle. Yes, this is also correct. Third is pteridophytes exhibit haplodiplontic life cycle. Yes, this is also correct. Therefore, all the statements are correct. Therefore, option A will be here our choice. Next is correlate roots are found in. Correlate roots are found in. Options are Pinus, Cycas, Cedrus, and Squia. The correlate roots are found in Cycas. So option B is correct. Next is triploid primary endosperm is produced in angiosperms by fusion of male gamete with. Options are secondary nucleus, second is egg cell, third is synergids, and D. Next option is antipodals. See, the triploid primary endosperm is produced in angiosperms by the fusion of male gamete with the secondary nucleus. So, therefore, option A will be correct, secondary nucleus. Secondary nucleus is diploid, and when the male gamete fuses with it, it forms the triploid primary endosperm. Next question is, double fertilization occurs in. Options are gymnosperm, second is angiosperms, third is bryophytes, and fourth is pteridophytes. See, the double fertilization occurs in angiosperms. So therefore the option B is correct. Next is we have to identify the incorrect pair. So we have to identify the incorrect pair, the pair which is wrong. Options are ginkgo, angiosperm, equisetum, pteridophyte, funaria, moss, mercantia, liverwort. See, the option A is correct, ginkgo angiosperm. So ginkgo is not an angiosperm, it is a gymnosperm. Next question is, first terrestrial plants to possess vascular tissue that is xylem and phloem are. Options are angiosperms, gymnosperms, pteridophytes, and bryophytes. See, the first terrestrial plants to possess the vascular tissues are pteridophytes. So therefore option C is correct. Next, we have the assertion and reasoning type of questions. We have been given the assertion and a reason. Assertion is that bryophytes are called amphibians of plant kingdom. Yes, this is correct. They are called amphibians of plant kingdom. Reason given has been bryophytes can live in soil but are dependent on water for sexual reproduction. Yes, due to this reason, they are called as the amphibians of plant kingdom. Therefore, the assertion A is also correct Reason R is also correct, and reason R is the correct explanation of assertion A. Therefore, our option will be A. Next is, which of the following is incorrect about bryophytes? We have been given the four statements. A plant body consists of true roots, stems, and leaves. Uh, this is wrong about bryophytes. Plant body doesn't consist of the true roots, stem, and leaves. So this statement is incorrect. We also see the other statements. Uh, in bryophytes, the dominant phase is gametophyte. Yes, this is correct. And the next is sporophyte is attached to photosynthetic gametophyte. Yes, this is also correct. They play important role in plant succession on bare rocks. Yes, this is also correct. The only incorrect statement is A. Therefore, in this question, our choice will be option A. The plant body consists of true root, stem, and leaves. Next is, in Phaeophyceae, that is brown algae, the food is stored in the form of. Options are mannitol, laminarin, Floridian starch, both A and B. In brown algae or the Phaeophyceae, the food is stored in the form of mannitol and laminarin. Therefore, option D is correct. Next question is, heterospory is found in. Options are Selaginella and Salvinia, Selaginella and Equisetum, Marcantia and Salvinia, Feneria and Terris. Heterospory is found in Selaginella and Salvinia, therefore option A is correct. Next is, oogamous reproduction is found in. Options are Volvox and Spirogyra, Spirogyra and Chlamydomonas, Volvox and Fucus, Fucus and Chlamydomonas. See, the oogamous reproduction is found in Volvox and Fucus, therefore the correct option is C.